we started a program called the Contractor Loyalty Program. Basically, the contractors that were coming to us and buying our drainage products, we told them that everybody that calls the corporate office looking for this service in the area that they service, we would let the homeowner know that they were using good quality products. I'm happy to report back that connecting good contractors with homeowners has been a success. To be an authorized French drain man installer, it couldn't be easier. There's no franchise fees. All there is the verification that you're using good quality products. If you're buying truckloads of our pipe to install on your job and you're using our components, we're going to let everybody know in your area that calls our headquarters looking for a good quality drainage contractor. People want to know that they're hiring somebody that's using quality. They don't want to hire somebody that's going to Home Depot for their drainage pipe. So any contractors in the United States, or Canada for that matter, that's using our parts, if they want to be involved in our contractor loyalty program, our contractor loyalty program is simple. If you're purchasing our products, we're going to sell them to you at a bulk rate. You're going to get 40, 60% off on a lot of different components when you're buying in bulk. We're going to be able to let everybody know in your area that reaches out to us for this service that you are a qualified installer. If you're interested in being an authorized French drain man installer, call our office at 248-505-3065. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video.